Guys, Porsche Pro Dave here over at Porsche Flemington. We are going to do a tutorial for you today on installing and removing the soft top on the Spyder RS. Let's take a look. Okay, so we open the trunk is fully open, and the soft top is right here, right behind the headrest. So you would lift, turn it over, there's a latch right here, red button, pull on the lever, unlatch it, and you got two tabs. They're on either side. They're gonna fit into each side here. Put those in like so. Push it forward. It hangs there a little bit. And then you take the latch, latch it. It's tight, stays in place. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna unroll it. Now it's not gonna fall too far. Just want to keep your hands on it, nice and slow, okay? And what you want to do here is that there's two pins. And they go right in the back of the crash bar right there, behind the headrest. Put one in, put the other in like so. You see here you got these two tabs are resting here, part of the soft top. You could take those off just by angling them, push them back and up. Push back and up. And then just roll to the side. Next, you want to roll it over. So then we have your cables. We're going to put one cable. There's two latches on each side. You want to do the driver's side first. And you want to come around. Take the other cable and you want to latch it here. You have a handle that's here for the bar. You clench the handle, pull it down, drops into place. So next, we're going to take out the back windshield from this bag in the trunk area, and we're going to attach it. I'll lay it down right here where we stowed away the soft top, and we're going to unfold it, like so. You want to take the center pin, go up here, balance it out, and do the other two pins, snap pins. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these sides, these plastic sides, you're gonna clip it to this bar over here. And what you wanna do is you wanna clip and turn in, and then there's a notch down below there. See right here, you're going to clip it on, turn in down here, like so. And then you want to tuck all this behind you. And then we're going to close the trunk. So the last step, we have these, we're going to latch the top, the last part of it. We're going to pull these red handles down here. It's one. You're going to slide it in as a whole from back, from bottom to top. Clip it in there, push down. Pull up. Bottom to top. Push down. And that is how you install your soft top. So now we're going to remove the soft top, all right? First, just work backwards. You open up, you pull the red tabs, take off each end. So, lay it over. So then we're going to open up the rear trunk, like so. Open it up all the way. And we're going to take off these plastic dividers on the side here. And next, we're going to remove the cable. Got your handle. Go up. This cable unlatches. Go back to the other side. Undo the other side of the cable. Then you want to undo your snaps. One side, right side, left side, center. Drops down, pull out, fold it up like so. And stow away into the trunk. So we're going to put these latches into this notch right here, okay? And that is going to hold the soft top just like before, all right? To help compact it and stow it away properly. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna take the edge right here, put it into the red notch, and it's just gonna lay there. It snaps in somewhat, but it just lays there. And now we're gonna pull it out of the pins, crossbar. And we're going to roll it with 2 hands. It sits on top like that. So next we're going to unlatch, red button, pull down, and we're going to take this out. Remember, lift this up, relatch it, proper stowing, and we're going to place this back where it was. Remember just to have the felt, the top felt flat, and make sure it's not all bunched up in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. And we put the trunk down like so. No slamming, nice and easy. Push down with your hands. Latch. 1, 2. And that is how you install and remove soft top on a Spyder RS. Thanks for watching.